Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics concerned with a relationship between angles and ratio of lengths. Trigonometry means measurement of triangle. Here, trigono stands for triangle and metry means measurement. So, trigonometry means measurement of triangles. Therefore, it is clear that trigonometry is only applicable to triangles. On the other hand, it is not applicable to any other polygons like quadrilateral, pentagonal, or hexagonal directly. If we say specifically, trigonometry is applicable only for right angle triangle, where we have three sides named base, height, and hypotenuse. The right angle is the angle that is 90 degree, and the opposite of right angle is hypotenuse. The side associated with the angle theta is called base, and the opposite of this angle is called height. Often this height is termed perpendicular. Now the question is, who invented trigonometry first? Trigonometry's development involved contributions from ancient Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, India, the Islamic Golden Age, and European mathematicians. No single person involved it. It evolved through diverse contributions over centuries. However, Hipparchus of Nicaea is ubiquitously known as the father of trigonometry. Let's go back to the right angle. If you look closely, there is a hypotenuse. Now, the question is why hypotenuse is the highest side of a triangle. Please pause the video and take a minute to think. The reason is a side is proportional to its opposite angle. So therefore, this right angle is the highest angle, which is 90 degree, and the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, no single angle is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, the right angle is the highest angle of a triangle. If an angle is highest in a triangle, therefore their opposite side, which is the hypotenuse, is the highest side. you have already know there are three sides of a triangle. One is base. The opposite of this acute angle is called height, and the opposite side of this right angle is hypotenuse. Now, there are six combinations can be possible, which is height by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by height, base by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by base, height by base, and base by height. The height by hypotenuse is called sine, and the angle, as the angle is theta, therefore height by hypotenuse equals to sine theta. It depicts the sine ratio of theta. Height by hypotenuse is called cosec theta. The base by hypotenuse is called cos theta. Hypotenuse by base is called sec theta. Height by base is equals to tan theta, and base by height is called cot theta. If you look closely, sin theta and cos theta is reciprocal to each other, and cos theta and sec theta is reciprocal to each other. Tan theta and cot theta also reciprocal to each other. Therefore, we can rewrite sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta. Cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. Now, a real life example why trigonometry is required in our daily life. Suppose you are a Superman who forgot to fly and is likely to climb a rooftop with a ladder. You know the height of this floor, also the length of this ladder, which is hypotenuse. So you can measure the inclined angle easily. Here, by applying sin theta, you can easily measure the inclined angle of this ladder. Suppose the height is 10 meter and the length of ladder is 20 meter. Therefore, the inclined angle is height 10 by hypotenuse 20 equals to 10 by 20 equals to half, and sine theta equals to half. Half means sine 30. Therefore, theta equals to 30.